Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where today we are diving into the world of IPTV providers to find the legal ones. If you've ever wondered what makes an IPTV provider legal, keep watching. Firstly, legal IPTV services have licenses for all provided channels. These services operate with permissions from content owners or holders. Let's examine why this is crucial. Unlicensed providers risk being shut down. Viewers who choose illegal services might face disrupted access abruptly. So how do you find these licensed, legal IPTV services? Start by checking if the provider publicly lists all licensing agreements. Look for reviews and recommendations from reputable tech sites or forums. Our sponsor, 2TV.store, is a prime example of a reputable provider. They consistently deliver high-quality service with verified licensing. When choosing, ensure the provider has a reliable and clear support system. Customer support quality is often a marker of the provider's legitimacy. Pricing too good to be true can be a red flag for sketchy operations. Opt for transparent pricing with no hidden fees or strings attached. Now you have the tools to find and choose legal IPTV providers. Steer away from the illegal, embrace the legitimate and supported services. Thanks for watching. Explore 2TV.store today and enjoy worry-free streaming.